Hey, I'm John Strohmeyer with Strohmeyer Law. We're back with another live stream answering your questions about trusts, estates, and taxes. Remember, I'm John Strohmeyer with Strohmeyer Law, where I'm an attorney focused on these issues. I'm a lawyer, I am not your lawyer. So, with that in mind, let's get to our first question. So, what is a spendthrift trust? Spendthrift trusts come up a lot, and it's a tool we actually use quite a bit in estate planning. This is a trust that basically protects a beneficiary from using the assets and basically spending them everywhere. Now, I get confused on the actual definition of spendthrift. I think it really means look, they spend all of their stuff, they are not thrifty. But the point is, you're protecting the beneficiary from having all the assets in the trust dissipated. Now, when we use these as part of estate planning, well, we want to embed these protections in so that the beneficiary is getting the protection of the trust from predators, creditors, and future ex spouses. So, thinking about things like if somebody comes along and wants to take advantage of them, those could be the predators. They're trying to get in at the money. You may have a trustee in place who can, protect the beneficiary from themselves. Creditors, well, if they're in a situation where they may be subject to liability, assets inside of a spendthrift trust will be protected from those creditors' claims. Finally, future ex-spouses, if the assets are in a trust, it's a very good way of setting out these assets here in Texas. They're not community property, they're not separate property. They're assets that belong in the trust. The trustee has legal title to them, the beneficiary has no ability to call it their own property. It belongs to the trust. And because it belongs to that trustee, it's not separate or community property. So in a divorce, it's not even on the table uh, to be divided between the spouses. It belongs to the trustee, even if that trustee is also the beneficiary. And that's one of the things that we think about with these spendthrift trusts. Again, you're setting it up, you're putting protections in place to protect the beneficiary from future threats, even though it originally came from something of we're going to protect the beneficiary from just wasting the money. Thanks so much for watching. If you've got other questions about this, go ahead and leave a question in the comments below. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.